A 80 cm long wire will be used to make cuboids frames as possible, measuring by 8 cm times 6 cm times 4 cm. The length of the remaining wire is A. 5 cm, B. 6 cm, C. 7 cm, or D. 8 cm. The length of the remaining wire equals 80 cm minus perimeter of cuboid. 80 cm minus 4 times length plus breadth plus height. 80 cm minus 4 times 8 cm plus 6 cm plus 4 cm. 80 cm minus 4 times 18 cm. 80 cm minus 72 cm. The length of the remaining wire is 8 cm. So, the answer is D, 8 cm. A cuboid with ratio of length, width, and height equal 4, 2, and 3, respectively. If the total surface area of the cuboid is 208 cm squared, then the volume of the cuboid is A. 190 cubic centimeter, B. 191 cubic centimeter, C. 192 cubic centimeter, or D. 194 cubic centimeter. Let the length, width, and height of the cuboid, in centimeter, be 4x, 2x, and 3x. Total surface area of a cuboid TSA equals 2 times length times width plus width times height plus length times height. 208 is equal to 2 times 4x times 2x plus 2x times 3x plus 4x times 3x. 208 is equal to 2 times 8x squared plus 6x squared 12x squared. 208 is equal to 2 times 26x squared. 208 is equal to 52x squared. X squared equals 208 over 52, x squared equals 4, x equals 2. The length, width, and height of the cuboid, in centimeter, be 8, 4, and 6. Volume of a cuboid equals 8 times 4 times 6. Volume of a cuboid equals 192 cubic centimeter. So, the answer is C, 192 cubic centimeter. Given that a cuboid ABCD, EFGH. It is known that area of side ABCD equals 50 cm squared, side area of ADHE equals 30 cm squared, side area of ABFE equals 60 cm squared. Volume of a cuboid is A. 200 cubic centimeter, B. 300 cubic centimeter, C. 340 cubic centimeter, or D. 390 cubic centimeter. Volume of a cuboid equals the square root of area of ABCD times area of ADHE times area of ABFE. Volume of a cuboid equals the square root of 50 times 30 times 60. Volume of a cuboid equals the square root of 9,000. Volume of a cuboid equals 300 cubic centimeter. So, the answer is B, 300 cubic centimeter. In the cuboid ABCD, EFGH, the length of AC equals 2A, DE equals 3B, and HC equals C, then the length of the space diagonal of the cuboid is. To do this problem, draw a cuboic first. AC equals 2A, DE equals 3B, and HC equals C. Suppose the length is L, the width is W, and the height is H. Use Pythagorean theorem in every right triangle formed. L squared plus W squared equals 2A squared, L squared plus H squared equals C squared, W squared plus H squared equals 3B squared. Next, add up the three equations above. 2L squared plus 2W squared plus 2H squared equals 2A squared plus 3B squared plus C squared. 2L squared plus 2W squared plus 2H squared equals 4A squared plus 9B squared plus C squared. Then divided both sides by 2, L squared plus W squared plus H squared equals 4A squared plus 9B squared plus C squared, over 2. Then multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, L squared plus W squared plus H squared equals 8A squared plus 18B squared plus 2C squared, over 4. AG is an example of the space diagonal of the cuboid. The formula of the length of the space diagonal of the cuboid is the square root of L squared plus W squared plus H squared equals the square root of 8A squared plus 18B squared plus 2C squared, over 4. So, the answer is B, a half of the square root of 8A squared plus 18B squared plus 2C squared.